We know how to multiply two monomials. We know that when we multiply, for example, 3x squared times 2x to the fourth, we're thinking use the commutative property to put the 3 and the 2 next to each other, and the x squared and the x to the fourth next to each other. And then 3 times 2 is 6, and x squared, that's 2 copies of x. X to the fourth, that's 4 copies of x. Put them together, that's 6 copies of x. So we'll get 6x to the sixth. What we actually do is multiply the coefficients, add the exponents. To reverse that process, then, we want something that we'll call division. That is, if we wanted to take that 6x to the sixth that we found and get rid of the 2x to the fourth to get back the 3x squared, that's division. Division just undoes multiplication. When I say what is 6x to the sixth divided by 2x to the fourth, I'm saying what do I need to multiply 2x to the fourth by in order to get 6x to the sixth. And since when we multiply monomials, we multiply the coefficients, when we divide monomials, we divide the coefficients. Since when we multiply monomials, we add the exponents, when we divide monomials, we subtract the exponents. So, in this example, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. Let's see another example. Let's say we wanted to take 8x to the fifth y divided by 5x to the third. Well, first we'll divide the exponents. 8 divided by 5, we can't do much with that except write it as 8/5. For the x's, we'll subtract the exponents. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we'll have x squared. And then I've got a y and no corresponding y. I can think of the exponents as 1 minus 0. I'll have a y in my answer. 8x to the fifth y divided by 5x to the third, we get 8/5 x squared y. Let's make sure that worked. If that worked, when we do this multiplication, we hope we will get our 8x to the fifth y back. Let's see. We multiply the coefficients. 8/5 times 5 is 8. X squared times x to the third is x to the fifth. Y is the only y. So we did in fact get our 8x to the fifth y back. Okay, so dividing monomials is pretty straightforward. We divide the coefficients, we subtract the exponents.